Hello everyone, and our topic is all about graphing linear equations into variables. A linear equation in two variables can be written in the form of ax plus by equals c or y equals mx plus b, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both equal to 0. So, kung naalala nyo, yung A and B are the coefficients of the variable X and Y. And your C is, they call it the constant. And also, a linear equation, two variables, it can also be written in the form of Y equals to mx plus b. And this one, your m is the slope, and your p is y intercept. Graphing linear equation can be done using any of the three methods. So the first one is using 2 points. The second one is using the x and y intercept. And the third one is using the slope and a point. Graph linear equation using any 2 points. One method of graphing a linear equation is using any 2 points. Remember that 2 points are enough to draw the graph of a linear equation. So, 2 point lang kailangan natin para mag-graph natin yung linear equation in two variables. Now, these are the steps. First, find the two ordered pairs that satisfy the equation. Then, after you find the two ordered pairs, plot the points. And then, after you plot the points, draw a line through points. Example number 1, graph the linear equation y equals to 2x minus 3. First, mag-a-assign tayo ng value ng x na 0 and then yung isa is 1 kasi kailangan lang natin at least 2 points para mag-graph natin yung linear equation two variables na kailangan satisfy yung equation. So, what will be the value of y if your x is 0? So, ito yan. Y equals to 2x minus 3. Y equals to, papalitan natin yung x na 0, then negative 3. Then y equals to negative 3. So 2 times 0, we have 0. So 0 is nothing, then we have negative 3. And therefore, your y is negative 3. If your x is 0, then your y is negative 3. Y equals to x minus 3. Y equals to 2, then multiply 1 because our second value is positive 1. So change x to positive 1, then negative 3. Then y equals 2 minus 3. 2 times 1 is 2, then minus 3. Then y equals to negative 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And the value of y is negative 1. If your x is 0, your y is negative 3. If your x is 1, your y is negative 1. Then we have this table. So we have your x 0, negative 3. Your y is negative 3. Then your x is 1. Then if your x is positive 1, if your x is positive 1, and your y is negative 3. Then these are the 2 points. So we have 0, the first number is x, then followed the second number is y. X, then y. First point, and then we have the second point. So plot the first point. We have the 0, then we have negative 3. Negative 3, you move 3 units below the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. Then we have point. So this will be your 0 and negative 3. Next, we have positive 1 and negative 1. So you move 1 unit to the right side of the y-axis. 1. And then above or below, because this one is negative 1, so therefore below the x-axis. Then this will be your point. 1 and negative 1. So, we have 2 points. And then, ang gagawin natin, draw a line that passes these 2 points. And therefore, this will be your graph. So, this will be the graph of the linear equation y equals to 2x minus 3. Next, we have number 2. Graph the linear equation 3x plus y equals to 6. We have your x, 0, then 3. So mag-assign tayo ng value ng x, 3. Then mag-assign tayo ng another one is 0, then 3. So x, 0 muna, and then 3. So pwedeng any number as long as makuha mo yung tamang sagot sa y. So ang ginawa ko, nag-assign ako ng x na 0, yung isa 3. If your x is 0, and then what will be the value of y? So we have 3x plus y equals 6. Then 3 multiplied to 0. So 0 is nothing. So I mean 3 times 0. So therefore 0. 0 is nothing. And therefore you bring down y equals 6. So y equals 6. Then we have 3x plus y equals 6. Now this time, yung 3 naman ang gagamitin natin. So 3, then times 3. Change x to positive 3. Then plus y equals 6. 3 multiply 3 and the answer is 9 plus y equals 6. Then transpose, kapag nag-transpose tayo, yung positive magiging negative. Then y, so we have negative 9. Then we have y equals to negative 3. So again, 9 transpose mo, magiging negative 9. And then you simplify y equals 6 minus 9. So 6 minus 9, the answer is negative 3. Now, if your x is 0, then the value of y is positive 6. If your x is 3, then the value of y is negative 3. Then we have graph the linear equation 3x plus y equals to 6. Equal to 6, we have the x, 0, and then 3. So if your x is 0, kanina, so nakuha natin yung 6. Yung 3, nakuha natin is negative 3. Then we have the first point, 0, 6, and the second point is 3 and negative 3. We have 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you move 6 units above the x-axis. So 6, and then this will be your point. So we have 0 and 6, 0, 6. Next, the second point, 3 and negative 3. So we have 3x, then your second number is y. So 3 units to the right side of the y-axis. 1, 2, 3. And 3 units below the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. And therefore, this will be our point. We have 3 and negative 3. So we have 2 points and then draw a line. And therefore, this will be your graph. Next, graph linear equation using the x and y intercept. Another way of graphing linear equation two variables is by using x-intercept, that will be your A, and the y-intercept, that will be your B. X-intercept is the abscissa of the point where the graph or the line passes through the x-axis. Your A is given and your y is 0. So your A, that will be your x. X is given, your y is 0. If we have your x-intercept. And your y-intercept is the ordinate of the point where the graph or the line passes through the y-axis. So it means your x is 0 and then your y is given. So B, x-intercept, B. Steps to graph linear equation using the x and y intercept. First step, solve for x and y intercepts by letting y equals to 0 and your x equals 0. The number 2, plot the x and y intercepts on the Cartesian plane. And number 3, draw a line that passes through these points. Example number 1, graph the linear equation 3x minus 4y equals negative 12 using the x and y intercept. To find the x-intercept, let y equals 0. So first find the x and y intercept. So first x-intercept, then let your y is 0. So if your y is 0, and then what will be the value of x? So we have 3x minus 4y equals negative 12. So 3x minus 4, yung y mo, yun yung 0 natin. Kasi hinahanap natin yung x-intercept. So 4 times 0, y change to 0, then negative 12. Then we have 3x, then 4 multiplied to 0, so therefore is 0. So you copy or bring down 3x and then bring down negative 12. Then to find the value of x, kailangan tanggalin natin yung 3, eliminate natin yung 3, divide both sides of the equation by positive 3. Then cancel out. Then we have your x equals to negative 4. Negative 12 divided into 3 is negative 4. So we have negative 4, 0. So this will be your x-intercept. Next, to find the y-intercept, let x equals 0. Hinahanap natin yung y-intercept. To find y-intercept, ang gagawin mo, i-let mo yung let x equals 0. 3x minus 4y equals to negative 12. So 3, papalitan natin yung x, change x to 0. Then negative 4y equals to negative 12. Then we have 3 times 0, 0 is nothing, and therefore negative 4y. Bring down and bring down negative 12. Then para matanggal yung negative 4, para makuha natin yung value ng y, divide the equation by negative 4. Then cancel out. Then y equals to or equal to positive 3. So because we have negative 12 divided into negative 4, then the answer is positive 3. Y is equal to 3. Then so we have 0 and positive 3. So this will be your y-intercept. If your x is 0, your y is 3. If your y is 0, your x is negative 4. Graph the linear equation 3x minus 4y equals to negative 12. So ito yung table natin. So this will be your first point and this will be your second point. So negative 4 and 0. So yung negative 4 nasa x-axis siya. Itong second point nasa y-axis. So negative 4. So this will be your negative number and this will be your positive number. Positive x, negative x. So therefore, 4 units to the left side of the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, this will be your point. We have negative 4, 0. Next, we have 3, y, above the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. And therefore, this will be your point. And then draw a line. So we have 0 and negative positive 3. So 0 and positive 3. And this will be your given graph. So ito na yung graph natin. Next, we have number 2, graph the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals 9. So again, find x-intercept. Let y equals 0. 2x plus 3y equals 9. 2x plus 3, your y is 0, so we have 0, and then equals 9. 3 times 0 is 0, and therefore bring down 2x equals 9. And then divide both sides by 2, kasi para ma-eliminate natin yung 2 para makuha yung value ng x. Then cancel out. Then we have your x equals 9 over 2, or 4.5. So we have 4.5, then 0. So this will be your x-intercept. To find y-intercept, let your x equals 0. So 2x plus 3y equals 9. Then 2, substitute the value of x, 0. So x change to 0. Then 2 times 0 is 0, and therefore bring down 3y equals 9. Then divide both sides by 3. Para ma-eliminate natin yung 3, divide natin ng by 3. Then, para makuha natin yung value ng y. Cancel out. Then y equals positive 3. Or we have 0 and positive 3. So this will be your y-intercept. Then, so we have the x, 4.5. Then, 0, and y, 0, and positive 3. So we have 4.5, 0, and then the second point is 0, and then 3. So 4.50, so ito siya, nasa x-axis positive. So ito yung mga positive number ng x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0.5. So therefore, this will be your point. And we have 4.5, then 0. Then we have 0 and 3. So move 3 units above the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. So we have point, 0, and 3. And then after you plot the 2 points, then draw a line. So ito na yung magiging graph mo. So this will be your graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals 9. Next, graphing linear equation using slope and a point. Steps. So these are the steps to graph linear equation using slope and a point. So first, plot the given points. The second one, use the formula m equals to rise over run to identify the rise and the run. And number 3, draw a line passing through the point. We have the example number 1. Graph the line whose slope is 2 and contains the point -1 and -5. Plot the points -1 and -5. So we have 1, that will be your x-axis, -1x. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below the x-axis, these are the negative y-axis. So we have this point. So we have -1 and -5. Number 2, slope of the line is 2, and therefore your m, the slope, equals your rise is 2 and your run is 1. Starting the given point, we have -1, -5, 2 units up and 1 unit to the right, positive. So therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, or I mean 1, 2, because 2 units up, 1, 2. And then 1 unit to the right, because this one is positive. If you move, or if the slope is positive, you move to the right, run to the right. If the slope is negative, to the left. Your run is to the left. Move to the left of the y-axis. And therefore, this will be your point. And this point is we have 0 and -3. Then draw a line passes the points. And therefore, this will be your graph. So we have the graph of this slope 2 and contains the point -1 and -5. So this will be the graph. Next, number 2, graph the line that passes through 5 and -1 and whose slope is -3/5, -3/4. First step, plot the points 5 and -1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kasi x to, kaya 5 units to the right side of the y-axis. Then -1. So we have 1 unit below the x-axis. So this will be our point. Then after that, so we have 5 and negative 1. So slope of the line is 3, negative 3 over 4. And therefore, your rise is 3 and your run is 4. So we have negative 3. Rise is negative 3 or over 4. Or it can be 3, negative 4. So starting at the given point, so dito tayo mag-start sa 5, negative 1, 3 units up, and 4 units to the left because this one is negative. Kanina to the right kasi positive. So 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, this will be our point. And this point is, they call it 1, 2. This point is 1 and 2, the order pair. Then after that, connect the 2 points using a line. Draw a line passes the points. So ito na yung magiging graph mo. So kapag negative, yung run mo, to the left. Kapag positive siya, to the right. Kasi ang slope mo dito is negative. Kaya nga, yung line mo is decreasing. Decreasing from left to right. Decreasing from left to right. Kapag positive siya, increasing from left to right. Thank you for watching. Bye!